Welcome to the breathtaking beauty of Attukad Waterfalls. Hidden away from the bustling city, Attukad is a gem awaiting to be discovered. Hey guys, so welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to explore the Attukad Waterfalls. This waterfall is one of the four main waterfalls of Munnar and is a very popular destination among adventure seekers. This waterfall is located in the mountainous Idukki district on the way from Munnar to Palivasan. Located just a few miles away of the main road, a gentle hike leads you straight to this paradise. The trail is well marked, making it accessible even for beginners. Located just a few miles off the main road, a gentle hike leads you straight to this paradise. This trail is well marked, making it accessible even for beginners. The moist environment around Attukad has given birth to diverse ecosystem. This is a very thrilling spot and there's abundant greenery as far as the vision goes and resounding peacefulness found amidst untouched nature. The lush jungles are inviting for an adrenaline thumping trek inside deep woods. I would recommend you to visit this place during the monsoons as well as in the clearer seasons. The road to the falls remained comparatively safe to travel during frequent showers as well. So lastly, few suggestions. There are no shades on the way, so it's better to carry an umbrella or a raincoat with you. Rest the trek is quite safe. I hope you liked this video, so please like and subscribe to our channel and I hope you'll plan your travel soon. Thank you for watching.